So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy ETFs inside of your TFSA or your tax-free savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, just go to the bottom here and select the magnifying glass. Then at the top, go ahead and press search. If you want to buy ETFs, right here it says ETFs, we'll just go ahead and select that. Now once you're here, you can either sort this by most active or all, or if you have a specific ETF in mind, you can always search it up. And also too, where it says all CAD USD, if you're in Canada, you can use Canadian dollars, US dollars, or whatever. I'll just select Canadian dollars and I'll just scroll down and find an example of an ETF. So let's just say this one, VFE, I'll go ahead and select that. If this is the ETF that you're looking to buy, go to the bottom left and press on select an account. If you want to make sure this is in your TFSA, make sure that the TFSA account is selected and then go to the bottom right and press trade and then press buy. Once you're on this page right here, you can go to the top right and choose the type of order. In my case, I will just stick to market type. So let's say I wanted to buy, let's just say $5 worth. I would type in 5. It'll then show you how much shares that is. And if this looks good, press review. Once again, the most important part here is under account. Make sure that your TFSA or tax-free savings account is selected. And if that looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press Q order or press buy, and you can go this way with the transaction. So that's how you guys can buy ETFs inside of your TFSA or your tax-free savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.